Today's Hebrew word for the day is mitzmor. The term mitzmor in Hebrew refers to a psalm, the book of Psalms. It's often associated with music and praise. It's derived from the verb zamar, which means to sing or to make music. It's used in the titles of many of the Psalms. If you go look at your Bible now, pause and go open it and look in the titles, you'll see this word regularly used. It indicates that that psalm was intended for vocal performance with instrumental accompaniment. The Psalms, known in Hebrew as Tehillim, are a collection of songs of praise and worship, with mitzmor specifically identifying those that focus on praising God. Mitzmor, the more you know.